Hi, if your headphones or earphones are not working on your PC, this is a few things you can do to try to fix that. So we can go down here and just check that we have the right headphones selected. I have here my studio headphones, my TV, and my gaming. Right now I'm on my gaming headphones and they're fine. If you don't see your headphones from this drop down menu, right click, open sound settings, and here this is the same drop down menu that you saw down here. We can go to manage sound devices. In the sound devices you can see there are a few disabled sound devices like my monitor, because it doesn't have I'm not gonna play audio from my monitor and it is disabled. Here as well you can see some input devices. That's for microphones. So just on the output, your device should not be disabled here. If you don't see it in the enabled devices or disabled devices, you need to check physically your cable, you need to check your headphones, and you need to check your headphone drivers. If you bought the headphones, there should be a list of appropriate drivers you need to run the headphones. So you would need to download them first and check with the manufacturer how to properly set it up so that your headphones work. If not, you probably have damaged headphones and they're not gonna work. Good luck.